Why is the Realme GT6 more expensive than other Realme phones? Simple. Because it's designed like a flagship, performs like a flagship, but costs a lot less. The buying link are given below, just go and check out. So, let's break down why the Realme GT6 is more expensive. 1. High-end power. Under the hood, it packs the Snapdragon 8's Gen 3, one of the fastest chips on the market. Whether you're gaming, multitasking, or running heavy apps, this phone doesn't flinch. It also comes with LPDDR5X RAM and UFS 4.0 storage, which means ultra-fast performance and fast loading times. And for those who demand the most from their phones, don't worry. It features an advanced 9-layer cooling system with a massive vapor chamber to maintain temperature, even during marathon gaming sessions. Unlock optimized graphics, faster frame rates, and an overall smoother gaming experience. 2. Next-gen display. This display is incredibly bright. We're talking a peak brightness of 6000 nits, so you'll see everything clearly even in direct sunlight. Add a 120Hz refresh rate for smooth scrolling and 10-bit color support for vibrant, lifelike visuals, and you have one of the best displays in this price range. 3. Ultra-fast charging plus solid battery life. It's powered by a 5500 mAh battery, but the real star is the lightning-fast 120 WSUPERVOOC charging. Plug it in for a few minutes and it's ready to go for hours. 4. Premium design that turns heads. The GT6 isn't just a powerful device, it's also powerful. It features a glass back, an aluminum frame, and a unique nano mirror design that reflects light beautifully. Sleek, stylish, and durable. 5. Flagship experience without the flagship price. Sure, it's more expensive than other Realme phones, but when compared to phones from Samsung or Apple, the Realme GT6 is a steal. You'll get top-tier performance and features at a much more affordable price. Conclusions. The Realme GT6 is more expensive than typical Realme phones, but you're not just paying for a brand name, you're paying for high-end features. Compared to flagship phones from Samsung or Apple, it's still more affordable and, in many ways, just as powerful. So, if you're looking for premium performance, cutting-edge features, and incredible charging speeds, the GT6 offers excellent value for money.